So two-bin is another inventory control method that's very, very similar to the Kanban concept. One of the things about Kanban is it's almost always replenished in fixed quantities. So if there's a Kanban card in there, it's for a quantity. I need to order 3 more pallets of shippers or whatever it happens to be that Kanban card is for. Two-bin is really similar, except the way two-bin works is that there's a bin, there's some sort of container. There's 2 of them typically. There could be 3 or 4, but normally there's 2. And when one of those containers is emptied, it's moved to a replenishment location. The other bin has enough materials to keep you going. It's safe. It's in essence, its safety lead time of that bin is long enough that the bin that was empty will be refilled and returned to the shelf. Now, what a lot of situations occur in two-bin is sometimes there's a main warehouse, and then there's something they call a supermarket, which I think I get into a little bit, and the two-bin is located there, and so you're replenishing from your own stocks. But the idea of two-bin is that empty bin is the signal, much as in Kanban it's a card or something that gets visually put on a board. In two-bin, it's the entire empty bin, and it's typically labeled with what goes in it and who the supplier is or who makes those items. So a lot of them I see, they have a barcode scanner on them that are used today. That's really common. When the bin's empty, the barcode is scanned. The bin is brought over to wherever it's going to be replenished. And I had one client a few years ago that did something just like this, where the barcode scanner, by scanning it, sent a purchase order. It accumulated a purchase order for a vendor who then received that purchase order at the end of the day for all of the bins that had been emptied that were their responsibility.